it's another day riding bikes. We're getting the bikes loaded up now. I'm gonna grab some water. We're gonna take the bikes out somewhere, unload them, and then hit the trails. So we're amateurs, man, so I hope y'all don't judge us, but we're just out here having fun trying to climb mountains. So we'll see y'all out there.
Yeah. Here we go. Oh, I stopped at the exact same spot. Yeah.
Sat on my nut.
Let's get it! Whoa, whoa! Oh, shit! Oh. Let's see Kyle come up. Come on, keep it up there. Oh, watch out for the rock. Easy back there. Swirly. Good back there? Meet you at the top. Oh, fuck me. Hold on. Let me get turned around. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, fuck me. We're good. She came up in a wheelie. Oh yeah. Yep. Becomes your favorite part. But I just put your ass back and cover that rear brake. Then we'll take this left. Oh. Ah. 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 There we go. See if we make it out. I'd be coming in here by myself. I'd be getting scared. Shit. Or just a fucking homeless person with a hatchet. Hell yeah. Right? Whatever you, I was gonna say, whatever you do, don't go straight. so bad. Yeah. I took like 3 or 4 to the.
Find my fucking leg!
Oh.
Got me with like 3 fucking. I was like, okay, we'll
Yeah.
go back. I'm too late!
Oh man.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. It was an interesting day. I'll probably be uploading a few more videos like this, you know, as we go out and do more stuff. Still uploading builds like I promised I would. But yeah, this kind of stuff it's fun. Like I said, we probably look like amateurs out there, but it's all fun. And we have a good time every time we go out. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.